got to see the rack on this one. Right outside the window, right beside the road. Look at the rack on that boy. Yay, big boy. Look at the rack on you. Yeah. Look at the rack on you. Do you even know I'm here? Good thing I'm not hungry. If I had a fork. We have so many waterfalls, but we don't have names for all of them, so they just go unnamed. So I've been naming them as I find them, and I'm kind of running out of names too. So this one is Fred. That's right, Fred the Waterfall. So check out Fred the Waterfall. I think you're gonna like him. Let's start at the end of Fred. Fred ends here at a culvert, goes underneath the road here, goes over to the Quinault River right over there, and then it's just you think it's a little waterfall here, but you work your way up here and you see it trickling down through the rocks and such. But then right up there, Fred's beautiful. Isn't Fred beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Wouldn't you like to have Fred the Waterfall in your yard? It is so beautiful here. Check out the little side waterfall over here. Look at that stuff. Is that awesome or what? Just running down through all the moss and the lichen and stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That, my friends, is Fred the Waterfall.